adventures. Come on everyone, let's have great adventures. Let's go have adventures. Come on everyone, let's have great adventures today. Adventures with Bri. Yeah!
Beautiful. Oh, hi there. I'm Bri. Thank you for joining me today. I'm just finishing up a painting of some beautiful flowers. Here, have a look and tell me what you think. The best thing about artwork is it's your own creation, and that's what makes it so beautiful. I love to paint all kinds of things, all kinds of shapes and colors, like pink triangles, blue squares, green circles, and yellow rectangles. I also love to learn, explore, and have fun, especially with Mother Nature. Do you see the empty flower bed behind me? I like to plant some beautiful wildflowers there. Would you like to help plant some beautiful wildflowers with me? Yay! You would? That's awesome! I know a field not too far from here. Maybe we can find some beautiful wildflowers there. Come on, let's go! Oh, hey there! I'm glad you were able to keep up with me. Look at all the green grass and trees. Aren't they so beautiful? I'm super excited that you're out here searching for flowers with me. But wait a minute. I don't see any flowers. Do you see any flowers? Yay! You do?
Flower starts with the letter F. Flower.
Oh, silly me. There they are right there. And they are more beautiful than I can imagine. Come on, let's get a closer look. We have yellow, white and purple, orange, and pink. But wait a minute. I don't have any digging tools to dig these up with. I know. I have my hip bag. This hip bag is magical. Anything I want, all I need to do is think of and do a dance, and it will appear in my bag. So the dance goes, spin 3 times, shake your hips from side to side, and jump up really loud and shout woohoo! Really loud. And the items will appear in my bag. So let's do the dance together, and let's see if it works. Ready? Spin 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now shake your hips from side to side. And jump up really loud and shout woohoo! Really loud. Woohoo! And they should be in there. Let's see if they're in there. I'm excited. How about you? I bet you are. Let's look. Whoa, there's a shovel in here. It worked. That's amazing. Woohoo! That's so amazing. Let's put it off to the side for now. Wow. There's some more. Oh, flower pots. We need them to transport the flowers so the flowers don't get harmed. So let's put these off to the side too. Wow, that was fun. Uh-oh, there's something else in here. What could it be? This is all we really need is a shovel and flower pots. Let's take another look. Oh my goodness! There's something amazing in here! Let's look! Oh wow, you're gonna be so excited! Ah! It's a backhoe! Wow! A backhoe? How did that get in there? Wow! I've never driven a backhoe before. Look at that thing. That's so awesome. Whoa! But no, I can't dig the flowers up with this. I want to be careful so I don't harm the flowers. And this is not for digging flowers up. So we can't use this here. But we sure can use it back at the garden to dig a hole to prepare to get the flowers planted. That sounds like an amazing idea. Let's save this for later, for back at the garden. I'll put it off to the side here. So we have our shovel and our flower pots. Let's dig them up. Come on, pretty flowers. You're coming with me. Let's dig these flowers up and get them into the pots. There's one flower. There's two flowers. I think it's time for a drink of water. This was hard work. Whew. That was so yummies. Now, let's get these flowers back to the garden so we can plant them. Come on, follow me. Oh, hey there. I got the flowers back to the garden. Here. Now, where should I plant them? How about here and here? That looks perfect. What do you think? I think it looks great too. Awesome. Good job. So let's start the backhoe up, relocate the plants to the side, and we'll dig the hole with the backhoe. Come on. Let's start this backhoe up. All right, now let's take the flowers out of the pots and place them into the holes. And it's all good. All right, we did a great job doing that. Now, we'll need to put some water on them so they can drink. We don't want them drying out. So I'll need a water bucket. There, nice refreshing drink. Let's step back and look and see how beautiful it is. Wow, it's so beautiful. We did such a great job together. Good job, everyone. Thank you for helping me plant these beautiful flowers. I think we should get a drink of water and prepare for nap time. My favorite stuffed animal is a horsey. Hi, horsey. And I got my water with me. I'm going to go take a nap. But I'd like to thank you very much for watching my show today. helped me find some beautiful wildflowers, bringing them to my garden and replanting them. It was so great for you to come and watch and help. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. I'll see you next time.